Hey everyone, Blake from Fireside, and I just wanted to give a quick unboxing of the clutch that we received. So let's go ahead and open this. Don't want to worry about that. And here it is, the Advanced Clutch Technology Heavy Duty Race 6-puck clutch. Probably got the name wrong. Alright, let me just quickly grab this out. Alright, we finally got it out of the box. It's a bit heavy, so we'll take this off now. I have to look up the name of the clutch, but yeah, it comes in this little sleeve. You take this off, and this thing is heavy, for sure. Comes with the flywheel, street light, heavy duty, and a 6-pad Sprung race disc. So let's go ahead and open it up. And there it is, the ACT. Here's the actual 6-puck clutch. That looks amazing. Love that. But we did get the Sprung version just to make it a little bit easier on us, because I do have to drive it to and from places. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh wow. So here's the actual flywheel, the streetlight flywheel. It comes attached to this. And it's sitting, of course, on that. So this thing is pretty heavy in and of itself. SFI rated. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. That is the street flywheel. And lastly, underneath it all, we actually have the alignment tool and the clutch face. Look at that. And it comes with some, exactly, I'm not sure what this is, the alignment tool. I think this is the release bearing. And the heavy duty plate, pressure plate and flywheel. Surfaces are oiled to prevent rust. You must clean the flywheel and pressure plate surfaces with solvent or detergent, that can cause slippage. Here's the alignment tool. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the case. Thank the Lord, there is installation. So that is the entire kit. Comes with the clutch face, the 6-pad clutch, the actual 6-puck clutch, the flywheel, clutch face, release bearing, and instructions and an alignment tool. So can't wait to get this installed. Hopefully this solves some of our clutch slipping issues with the amount of torque that we're now putting into the vehicle.